Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show what does WCW mean on Snapchat. So, let's get started. WCW stands for Woman Crush Wednesday. It's a popular social media trend where people share photos or videos of women they admire, usually on Wednesdays. WCWs can be celebrities, friends, family members, or anyone else that someone finds inspiring or attractive. There are many reasons why people post WCWs. Some people do it to show their appreciation for the women in their lives. Others do it to celebrate female empowerment and diversity. And still others do it simply because they find it fun to share the people they admire. To post a WCW on Snapchat, simply take a photo or video of the woman you want to feature. You can then add a caption that says WCW or Woman Crush Wednesday. You can also add hashtags like hashtag WCW or hashtag Woman Crush Wednesday to help your post reach more people. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.